Ronnie here, me and old J-Boo. Say hey, J-Boo. Me and old J-Boo's doing some errands today. Stopping by Furniture Factory Out of the World, right outside our home area here in Waxhaw, North Carolina. If you shop anywhere else, you will pay too much. Waxhaw. Anyway, we're stopping in here. We're gonna check out, see if they got any tables for our house. We done been in here 500 times, but we need to go one more time, I'm told. And then we're gonna do some more running around. I'll show you that. No go on the table. They used to have some sitting outside when we was up here a few weeks ago, and the one table was like $49. So we were thinking about buying it and painting it, kind of like making it look like a farmhouse table. So. Next stop is Mojo Cycles in Matthews. We're taking my bike up there to get it worked on. Ever since we moved out of our old house, it's been in storage, and I've been wanting to do some trail riding. So the cycle place was, I looked on the website before I left, and I didn't call them. I should have called them, but they were actually closed today. We're going to grab a bite to eat. We're downtown Matthews, bunch of park here. And it's a really cool town here. Got a lot of unique restaurants and stuff. Matthews is a really cool town. Lots of food places here. We got a really good farmers market here, and lots of stuff going on here.
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry.
It's a real bustling community. So we're checking out Mo's Original Barbecue here. One of my Instagram friends suggested it. Lee is, so we'll see what y'all think. Sandwich comes with two sides. We got the potato salad and the Mississippi mud pie. First time trying that, we're gonna see what it's like. He wasn't feeling good, he's got the swine flu. Back towards Monroe now. Oh, Mo's Original, it was excellent. Really loved it. We both got sandwiches. Comes with two sides and a drink, $9.50. Sides are kind of small, but it's enough to fill you up. Really was more than enough, even though they were kind of small. I got potato salad, it's one of my sides. Mississippi mud pie. Old J-Boo, she got baked beans and banana pudding. So Matthews, really cool town. It's like a walking community. You can park and walk to most things. I think if you remember, back 6 or 7 months ago, I did a review on a Max Speed Shop. I'll post a link up here in the top so you can see what I'm talking about. But it's another barbecue place that's just around the corner from this, and it's excellent too. But I really enjoy Mo's. Max Speed Shop, it's a chain, but it's a small chain. Might be about 3 or 4 of them, and they're all around in this area. Mo's is, I don't know if it's a franchise or a chain. You know, a franchise is where it can have, there's one parent owner, and they sell the franchises to individual people like me. I could own a franchise, where the chain is all owned by corporate. And so they just have multiple stores. So I'm not sure what Mo's is. I'll have to look it up and see. But I know there's one down in Pawleys Island, South Carolina, because I've seen it before. We'll see you in a bit. We got our stuff that we had to pick up. Now we're headed to Waxhaw, North Carolina, which is right near. All three of these towns are right next to each other, and they're right next to the place where we live, but we live in South Carolina. But this place has, we found out there's a bike store up here that's open. So we're going to still try to get the bike worked on. And come to find out, it's just as cheap there as it was with my discount at the other place. So we'll see when we get there. We ended up going to the bike store. I dropped the bike off there. I'm thinking about trading it in for more of a mountain bike. And what I have is what they call a hybrid bike. It's kind of more of a road bike or a trail bike. We're thinking about trading it in. And now we're up here in Walnut Creek. We've picked up the kids. We're gonna do a little hiking. It's just a little trail, and it kind of goes through this. It starts up here and goes through this neighborhood, but it ends up in the woods. And I think there's several boardwalks and a suspension bridge. But this is a little neighborhood here. This is part of Lancaster County Recreation, but this is actually inside of a development here. So we're gonna check it out.
After we hike, we're gonna go play on the playground.
Yeah, we might play on the playground. Starts out in this neighborhood. It even smells like the mountains here. It's 12 Mile Creek. Down below us, about 60 feet. Pretty cool little trail. And I actually want to go. Three and a half miles. We made it to the suspension bridge. Yeah. Check out these cool benches right here. We made it. South Carolina side, North Carolina. It's the state line right here, 12 Mile Creek. So if we end up doing this whole trail, it's be 7 miles. That's pretty good for me considering I had the back surgery in 2014. I've walked a good bit. This is probably my furthest hike though. I've done in a couple 4 and 5 mile hikes in the mountains though. This is not the mountains, but there was some pretty steep hills here. But I tell you what, my legs are feeling like jello. But the kids are hanging in there. There has been a little whining from one kid really. A little bit from all of them, but there was a lot from one. But they're back singing now and they're happy. So if we make it back in time, we've done this. And we got 8 more minutes, and it's been 3 hours. So we've done about 6 miles so far. We got about 1 more mile left. So we're on a pretty good pace. You hear the whining again? When they're singing, they're happy though, so I think they... Oh yes, we made it. After walking 7 miles, they still have the energy to run around and play on the playground. I'm over here laid on the ground. It's 10 o'clock. All the kids are wore out. You can't see them back there, but one of them's asleep back there. Had a good day. Made it back. Hike. Left my bike at the bike store. Hadn't decided what I'm gonna do about that. But we'll see y'all on the next one. Appreciate y'all joining us. Hope y'all enjoyed it.